Hi everyone, this is a bypass to install a APK or an Android app on your outdated Android version. So if you, for example, have a old version of Android, for example here it's the 8 version of Android, and you want to install some Android apps, and Play Store gives you this message. This app isn't compatible with your device anymore, concept develop. So to overcome this message, all you have to do is to go and search for the app on Google, then choose, for example, the app to down, scroll down, then search for the old version of the same app. So this one is for Android plus 9, and choose the one that could work for your device. For example, I will choose this one, 3.3.0 Android plus 8, and I will download it. Then go to download, and they try to install, follow the instructions from your device, then install the program normally.